Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star. Hi. Waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should.
Okay, I am headed to go get gas and go to the grocery store just for a couple of things. Also, I need to get gas on the way there, so we're gonna do that on the way to the grocery store.
Buildings for you. Say the daylight, no one can. We'll be heading down Charleston.
What the heck? Okay. Literally used to take like $25 to fill my entire tank up, and I wasn't even empty, and I just spent $43. Whatever, it's okay. I use an app called Get Upside, and I literally get cash back when I get gas. So I'm gonna do that now because I like checked in for it. So yeah, I'm gonna go get cash back. This makes it better, okay? Hold on, I gotta do my card. Okay, receipt is submitted. Really quickly, I want to talk to you guys about Get Upside, which is an app to earn cash back at grocery stores, restaurants, gas stations, which I used it at the gas station earlier. I spent $43 to fill up my gas tank when it used to take $25. Everything's gone up. We all cringe at it, I know, but thanks to Get Upside, I feel better because I'm earning cash back when I get gas, when I get groceries, when we go out to eat, all of it. We get cash back that we can spend on whatever we want. We can put it back into gas, groceries, or you can just spend it on just whatever we want. It's super easy. You can cash out to your bank account, PayPal, an e-gift card to Amazon, or whatever you want. In comparison to credit card rewards or other royalty programs, you can earn 3 times more with Get Upside. Get Upside users are earning more than $1 million every week, which is crazy, and it's probably why they have a 4.8 star rating in the App Store. Super easy to use, and to get started, all you gotta do is download Get Upside in the App Store or Google Play. Use my promo code Olivia, it'll be on the screen, to earn $5 or more on your first purchase of $10 or more. And then when you are using the app, all you do is claim an offer at a gas station, grocery store, restaurant, wherever you are. And when you get to whatever business you're going to, the gas station, restaurant, whatever it is, check in and then pay as usual with a credit or debit card, and then you get paid through Get Upside when you scan in your receipt. Definitely check out Get Upside and make sure to use my code Olivia to earn $5 or more cash back on your first purchase of $10 or more. And yeah, it'll be down below. Definitely check it out. I use it every time I get gas, when we go to the grocery store, all of that. So definitely check it out. Good. Okay, I'm gonna go to the grocery store now. This camera feels so zoomed in. My head feels huge. Okay. Let's go to the grocery store. My mom texted me a bunch of stuff she wants me to grab up. So my list got a little longer. So let's go. Okay. Oop, out of focus. I am back in the car. I'm gonna eat one of these guys and then bring my mom these lemons and head home. Okay, I'm home now, and you guys kind of saw what I got at the store, but I thought I'd just give you a little grocery haul. So the muffins I already dug into. I wanted the variety pack, but they didn't have them. And buy one get one bread. This is the Farmhouse how do you say this? Pepperidge Farm home style bread. My mom asked me to get a lot of this stuff, so some buns for chicken sandwiches. pack of gum I talked about, 2 packs of raspberries, which I freaking just love raspberries. I like to just snack on them or eat them with like breakfast. French fries. Really, I think the best ones is this brand. Got some popsicles. These just looked really, really good. So, chicken breast. I got this soda. I've had the one, this is a 0 sugar. I've had the regular one. It's like the Starlight limited edition Coke. And it's really weird, but it tastes pretty good. It's like regular Coke, but has like a weird caramelized buttery flavor. Then I got 2 tubs of mayonnaise. We normally get the like squirt kind, but these ones were Bobo. Buy one, get one. So I got these and we're running out for Bradley's egg sandwiches. Then I got some orange juice. This is Natalie's. It's like the best. This is actually tangerine juice. And then my favorite, cold brew stock. It's the best. And that is everything I got. So I'm gonna put the groceries away now and clean up because the house is a little bit messy. Like put things away. I'm gonna put the like Roomba, is that what it's called? iRobot vacuum thingy on. I need to do freaking laundry. I'm gonna wash towels, and then me and Bradley have so much laundry to catch up on, so I'll probably do just a few loads of our laundry, just get some stuff done. But that was my grocery haul. Now let's put it all away.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't ours, oh, but you fill me up, and I can feel it now.
I'm gonna try this. I've never used it before, the pink stuff on the sink and clean it. So this is the before. Also, I just sneezed, so my nose is running. But this is the before. I don't know, it's not really dirty, but see if it makes a difference. What do you guys think? I don't know, did it make it sparkle? Heard that the pink stuff is really good to clean like stovetop, so I'm gonna clean this guy and see if it works good. So this is the before. Okay, here is the after. I think it looks pretty good. It's super clean, it's not really streaky, and I don't see any like spots on it anymore, so I think it's a win for me. Okay, the kitchen is all clean, and I just put the towels in the dryer. Bradley's on his way home. He's bringing Starbucks, and I think he's bringing me some French fries. So pretty excited about that. And all clean, looking good. Now I need to just clean the dining table, wipe it with some Edge, is that what it's called? And Oakley wants to go outside every 5 minutes because he loves going outside. Okay, I changed these out, but they like won't lay flat yet. I just stepped on the thing, but there we go. Clean. I'm like sweating. Yeah. Starbucks got a grande iced blonde sugar-free vanilla latte. It's a mouthful, and then a large French fry. French fries. Okay, I am folding laundry now, and then I'm gonna end this video just because it's the end of my morning. It's much past the morning actually, and Bradley's napping, but I'm gonna wake him up in a few minutes after I'm done folding, and we're gonna go about our day. But I hope you guys enjoyed my more productive morning in my life. wifey stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed. I did a lot of cleaning, went to the grocery store, just a bunch of different little errands, doing laundry, all the stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. I'll have the rest of my social medias in the description box below. Make sure to check out Get Upside if you want to get cash back on restaurants, groceries, gas, all of that. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.